Hello everyone. In this video, I show you how to instantly recover Proxmox VE virtual machines from a backup using the Flash VM boot feature in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. To start, you need to run a Proxmox VM backup job. You can watch the demo that appears in the corner to learn how to create VM backups in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. I have a completed VM backup job for this walkthrough. To start recovery, select the backup job, click Recover, select Full Recovery, and then Flash Boot for Proxmox VE. The Flash VM boot job wizard opens, and I have to select a Proxmox VM backup job from the list. The latest recovery point is selected by default, but I can select any other available recovery point. Next, at the Destination step, select a container to which to recover the VM. I will use the original Proxmox container. I will also select the same network. Optionally, you can select a target resource pool. Click Next. At the Schedule step, you can select to run a recovery job on demand or configure a schedule for this Flash VM boot recovery job. You can schedule a job to run weekly, daily, monthly, or periodically. You can also schedule this job to run after another job. In this example, I will run this job on demand. At the Options step, provide a name for the job. You can set the priority from 1 to 5, where 1 is the highest and 5 is the lowest. You can also enable the VM verification feature. Screenshot verification is used to verify the target VM by starting it and taking a screenshot of the VM screen. Boot verification is used to verify the target VM by starting it from the BIOS level and checking whether hypervisor tools are running. In the Recovered VM options, you can configure how to name recovered VMs. You can set a custom VM name and configure it in the settings. I set it as Proxmox New Test. Press Enter to apply the custom name that you want to see in the Proxmox VE interface. You can generate a new MAC address or keep the existing MAC address of the backed up VM. You can change the power status of the VM. I select to power on the recovered VMs. There is an option to send job reports to an email address if you've configured email settings in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. You can also run a script before and after the job in order to configure stop-start services. You can provide a batch file, and you can set a behavior type and error handling as well. If you're going to use a proxy transporter, you can select which transporter to be used for this process. Click Finish or Finish and Run to run the job. I click Finish and then Run for the selected machines. Then I click Run and the Flash VM boot recovery process will start and should be done in a few seconds. As you can see, Proxmox VM recovery is very fast. Now, I would like to go to my Proxmox virtual environment to show you that my Recover VM is created with a new name Proxmox-new-test. As you can see, the VM recovery job is completed. If we open the Proxmox interface, we can see that the recovery job is completed as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch new uploads. You can also download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.